today I'm going to be talking to you guys about how to naturally whiten your teeth and also take care of your oral health. I'm going to be talking to you guys about how to naturally whiten your teeth and also take care of your oral health. So these are not in any specific order, they're just some of the things that I've done and I tried, I'm experimenting with. First things first, baking soda. So baking soda you can get at your natural health food store, anywhere really, grocery store, and you basically take about like 1 tablespoon and then you add a little bit of water and it becomes a nice little paste, and you just put it on your teeth and you just start bristling. It actually helps to whiten your teeth and get rid of any stains. And the great thing about baking soda also is actually it alkalizes your body. So if you ingest it by any chance, it's not gonna like kill you or anything because it's in a lot of foods. I love that it's super natural. It's basically bicarbonate that we get in the stores. The thing I love for oral health is scraping your tongue. Oh my gosh, you always find me traveling with one of these. These are metal, you can find different ones. This is from Brush with Bamboo. I love that it's metal and you just scrape it. Scrape it, usually like a film on your tongue, and that really causes like bad breath and things like that. You don't want to over scrape your tongue because you want to like naturally leave some natural residue, but I do love scraping my tongue, especially right before a date or going to an important meeting. This is essential. I love brushing with Brush with Bamboo, USDA organic company that's non-toxic. I love the way it feels. It's made with 100% bamboo that's organic. Every component of the product is plant-based, from the bristle, handle, to the wrapper and the box. BPA-free, vegan, and verified non-toxic. It's such a great company. I love supporting it. Things next, I love a natural toothpaste. So mine is fluoride-free. There's a huge controversy and dental debate about fluoride in our toothpaste. I wonder what you guys think about it. Do you guys think fluoride is safe? A lot of dentists say it's safe, but I just try to avoid it. You know, I don't want to put any chemicals into my body. If I can control it, this is great for tartar control, and it's SLS free as well. Another thing I do for natural oral health is some hydrogen peroxide. So killing the excess bacteria that is overgrowing in your mouth, and also naturally whitens your teeth, any stains from tea, coffee, and just things that you eat that's dark. I eat a lot of dark foods, so you have to make sure that you do some hydrogen peroxide. I usually do it after I brush my teeth or before, just to kind of cleanse and get rid of any bacteria. It's fantastic. I love it. You can get it at your local grocery store, but make sure you get food grade, and you can get it so cheaply. I buy like a large jug and I just keep this with me. Next, activated charcoal. You guys heard about it, you guys seen it at the health food store, juiceries. People add this in lemonades now. This is fantastic for pulling out, drawing out toxins. I take it as a capsule form if I ever get like food poisoning or things like that. But you can actually put it on your teeth. I know it sounds crazy. You can put some coconut oil, some essential oils that's food grade, and just brush on your teeth. It looks crazy and black, but it's so good for you. I've tried it and it works. I would just do it at nighttime because you don't want any weird stains on your teeth. And last but not least, I am hosting a Brush with Bamboo giveaway. If you guys leave a comment below, let me know what some of the things that you guys do. I am gonna pick 1 winner or 3 winners. I'll pick 3 winners, and I'm gonna give you guys this awesome giveaway. This is such a great gift, and it's fantastic to travel with. I travel with this. A lot of the toothbrushes on the market are made with plastic. Plastic is so detrimental to our environment, so if you can do anything to lower your carbon footprint, this is a great way. Let me know what you guys do to take care of your oral health. My mouth is feeling squeaky clean, and those are some of my tips to naturally whiten your teeth and also take care of your oral health. And leave a comment below to enter to win this giveaway. Super exciting. You turn my water